Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now I'm not sure if you guys have been facing this problem, but anytime I tap on my widgets, it doesn't do anything. Like, see, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in, guys. Okay, that's it. That's the widget. It says search or type URL. Okay, so I tap it. Nothing happens. What the frick? Why does it not work? So I'm tapping like all my widgets. They're not working. Let's see what happens if I reset. Focus. Oh. There we go. Allow widgets from Google Maps to access your location. Don't allow. I'm tapping it. Why does it not work? Why? Why doesn't it work? I'm tapping it. Can I move it? So I can move it. I can't tap it. Doesn't do anything. Now what's supposed to happen is when I open this, when I tap this, it's supposed to open the Chrome app. What just happened? What happened? Google Maps? Trackers and ads blocked? Nothing happens. So I haven't tried doing this yet, but we're going to try it out. Okay. Okay. Please focus. Here we go. Come on, focus. Okay, there you go. So, and let's try turning it on. Right, so it's powering on, just like that. As guys can see. So as you can see, okay, let me just, can I do Touch ID? No, I can't. Okay, so there we go. All right. So that's it. There we go, and it works. So, but could I please ask why that happens? Wait, hold on. So, when I go to the weather, it opens Opera. Okay, pretty normal because that's my main browser. I love Opera. Okay, let's go to Google Maps. That one works too. Brave browser. Yep. So, what about this? Yep, it opens Twitch. Okay. That was really weird, but that's how you fix it. If you're wondering if you wanted to fix it, that's how you do it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you've experienced any problems like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.